In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide modules in Zoho CRM with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to streamline your CRM view or simplify your user interface, hiding irrelevant modules can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's dive right into it. Start by heading over to the home page of your Zoho CRM. If you haven't already, sign into your account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're at the home page, your first point of action is to locate and click on the highlighted section. You'll find it easily as it's designed to grab your attention, making navigation straightforward. Next, you'll want to click on the customization option. Customization is your go-to for all the modifications you wish to make within your CRM, allowing you to tailor it according to your specific needs. Under customization, you'll then see an option labeled Modules and Fields. Go ahead and click that. Here lies the area where you can manage the various components of your CRM. As you enter the Modules and Fields section, you will see different options for each module available in your CRM. The aim here is to tweak the visibility status of these modules. So the next step is to navigate directly to Status. By clicking on Status, you're brought to a page where each module's visibility can be controlled, making it quite versatile depending on your role or need. Now within the Status window, click on the highlight that pertains to the specific module you're aiming to hide. You'll find this quite intuitive as the highlight stands out on the interface, guiding you precisely where to make your choice. Hiding a module doesn't delete it. It just removes it from your immediate view to reduce clutter, improving efficiency. Always remember that you can reverse the action if needed. Simply go back to this same area and make adjustments to re-enable the module if your requirements change down the line. A handy tip before we conclude: ensure that any modules you decide to hide don't impact essential operations or workflows within your team. It's a good idea to communicate any changes to your team members so that everyone's on the same page. So in summary, hiding modules in Zoho CRM is a quick process that can significantly enhance your CRM experience. Simply navigate through Home, select the options under Customization, and manage your module's visibility status as needed. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a workspace that's organized and tailored to your specific preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide both informative and helpful. If you have any further questions, be sure to check out our other resources or drop your queries in the comments below.